Hi! In front of me is OPPO A18 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, tap on this little icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. And tap on one of your photos that you wish to add. You can also select folders instead. And look for your photos in one of your albums. When you find it, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!